Hi, I'm Valerie Upham.
And I'm Greg Bergen.
And we're here at 2717 Angell Avenue in University City. Greg, what part of the house do you think we should show them first?
Let's show them the kitchen. It's absolutely beautiful. Come on in.
It's making me start to think.
Look at this amazing kitchen. Greg, I'm so excited to get to share this with everyone. The cabinets are handmade. They are made of cherry and figured maple, and all the custom self-closing drawers, of course. You've got a double oven, which who doesn't want a double oven for Thanksgiving or any holiday? What do you think about it?
And a great open floor plan, nice island for entertaining, just nice open space in here. So lots of great options in this kitchen. What I love about this space is you have two great options for a dining room here. As you come in, I love the flow as you come out through the kitchen into the living room. Just a great family room right here.
Yeah, and the open concept, all of this space right here is amazing. The other thing I like about this space is all of the natural light. So we do have recessed lighting on currently, but when it's off, there's still enough light coming in that makes it a really nice space.
Absolutely.
So now I want to show you the rest of the house. Down the hall this way, there's a half bath. There are 3 bedrooms on the first floor. The master suite is upstairs. And then also down this hallway, it's going to take you to the garage. The garage and the workshop are over 800 square feet. It's
Wow.
huge. So for the serious craftsman, you've got to come check out this house.
All right, let's go show them the master bedroom upstairs.
All right, let's go.
All right, so now we're here in the master bedroom. You can see this is on the 2nd floor all by itself. Nice, beautiful view out the window. It's really spacious, open in here, nice lighting as well.
So you've got a hidden closet back here behind the barn door. And then the walk-in closet is huge.
The bathroom has just a spa-like experience. It's really beautiful in there. Dual sinks, 4 shower heads.
It's all been remodeled recently. Absolutely amazing. We have this amazing backyard. We've got turf lawn, and it goes all the way back. We also have RV parking on the side, and then we have the pavers in the front yard, in the front driveway.
It's a huge backyard for this neighborhood as well. Much larger than a lot of the houses in the area, so very special. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Angell 2717.
If you are interested in seeing this home in person, give us a call, or if there's any other home that's similar in the area that you'd like to see, we're here to serve you. Thank you.
Thank you.